Chicken kofta is a delicious Indian dish made with ground chicken. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until soft and golden brown. Add the minced garlic and sauté for another minute. Add the turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and paprika. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Add the diced tomatoes and salt to the pan. Mix well and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Stir in the heavy cream and cilantro. Add the fried koftas to the pan and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce has thickened and the koftas are fully cooked. Serve hot with naan or rice. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken kofta.